slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? IRV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Nike Dunk highs, the Ambush collab that dropped. Pretty sure they dropped a while back, but I finally got my size in them, so these are UA. So before I get into everything, if you are new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, and last but not least, show some love on the Instagram at IRV Stuff TV. Link is in the description. With that being said, shipping took I think a week and a half once I got the tracking number, which is super quick with DHL. Or no, I was actually with EMS, sorry, so super quick shipping. Just little disclaimer, I don't condone buying any of the stuff you see on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Video is pure educational, just for showing what you would get if you would to order from these sites, because everyone orders from various sites, so you can kind of see a review on YouTube. So anyways, let's get into it, man. The box was double boxed, not bubble wrapped, but it came in fine condition. So here's the information. These are from Will's Kicks. He is still operating. Yes. Website is sneakerwill.shop. Instagram is at sneakerwillnet, and then the WhatsApp is right there for you to contact him quicker. So there's all the information right there. Put that to the side, and let's take a look at the shoes themselves. So here are the shoes, of course. Here's a box. So it is kind of like that special edition Nike box with the glossy Nike on it, black on black. On the side it says Ambush, if I can even get it. There we go. So on the side it says Ambush, a little white gloss. This side you got the size information right here. Black Dunk High, Ambush, black, white. These are size 13, so yes, he does have 13 for these now. Other side just says Ambush, and then on the bottom some Nike branding as per usual, so nothing crazy going on there. Opening up the box here, nothing inside really. You do get this Ambush paper here, just has a Nike sign, an Ambush Nike sign. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You don't really get a whole lot. There was no StockX stuff sent with this specific pair of shoes, but you can always request that, like the tag and sticker and that sort of stuff. So here are the shoes themselves. So these do fit true to size. I did put them on. They fit just fine. So no discrepancies there. But yeah, shoes in general look clean. I haven't really found anything worth talking about in terms of flaws. You know, beyond like little like stitches or whatever being out here and there invisible like that or whatever. That's no big deal, right? So no point of really mentioning that. You can always cut them off, but yeah, so for example, stuff like that. But yeah, beyond that, shoe looks really clean. I will pick it up, show y'all, just because bending over like that, it's already hot as hell in here, so I'd rather just hold the shoe and show y'all every part of it. I don't know if this comes up. Oh yeah, it does, looks like. So apparently this comes up like this, and you got that same rubber material here at the top that's right there, so which is pretty neat actually. I didn't know that. I don't think there's any logos or anything, nope, and I don't want to crease the leather too much. But yeah, back of the shoe looks pretty dope. You got Ambush, glue marks here and there, but nothing, you know, obscenely crazy in that. You got that enlarged swoosh, of course, that we've seen over and over again now at this point. So yeah, it's pretty dope though. It's like a rubber material, same rubber that you see up here, but with the swoosh. It does extend on both sides beyond the shoe, which is pretty dope of a look. And then you can see this rubber part here that says Ambush comes all the way to there. So yeah, front of the shoe, toe box feels nice. Other side, same thing. You can see quality's on point. Midsole, midsole and outsole are just white, one shade. No paint on that. These flaps come down if you wanted to, so you could wear them with the flaps down too. I think they look better up, obviously, but yeah. tongue right here, you got the exposed foam. We've seen again quite a bit in the last 2-3 years. So exposed foam, and then leather as well, white leather on top of the foam. And then you got ambush, and then the Nike sign. You only get one set of laces, at least with my pair. I received one. They are kind of waxed, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's basically it for the outside of the shoe. Bottom of the shoe, nothing special, nothing crazy, just a regular Dunk or Jordan 1 bottom. So that's that. Inside the shoe, it says ambush on a green insole with the Nike sign. Apologize for any hair you might see because I did try them on. So probably got hair from my socks and stuff, but whatever, no biggie. But yeah, that's it for the inside. There's a size tag as well, y'all can see that. Try to get a good shot of it. There we go. So there's a size tag right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the shoe. Right shoe at least. Left shoe, same thing though. Quick little overview of that. You know, quality is typically on point from Will. He usually has his GOAT pairs up pretty quick after a few different batches. So yeah, underneath here actually it's more of that rubber, so pretty neat actually how the shoe's made. I like that. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it though. Y'all can see the rest of the shoe here. I sweat in buckets, so I'm not trying to take too long on this video, of course, but yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, show some love to your boy. Spread these shoes out like that for y'all. If you're new to the channel, show some love to your boy. Subscribe, you know, do all that good stuff. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay tuned for more videos. Catch you on the next one.